staying with news from across the world, an arbitration court in The Hague on Tuesday has ruled against China on a maritime dispute between it and the Philippines. Both the countries have been at loggerheads over Beijing's claim of sovereignty over the South China Sea. Manila took the case to the Hague-based Permanent Court of Arbitration in 2013. China has, however, refused to participate in the case and has boycotted the hearings at the Permanent Court of Arbitration.
China has received a setback at the hands of the International Court of Justice regarding its claims on the South China Sea. The Court of Arbitration in The Hague ruled that China does not have historical rights over the South China Sea. The UN-backed court was hearing the case after the Philippines had approached it on the matter. The five-judge tribunal of the Permanent Court of Arbitration delivered its judgment striking down Beijing's claim of historical rights over the area. China's claims are strongly disputed by the Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei and Taiwan.
Philippines strongly affirms its respect for this milestone decision as an important contribution to ongoing efforts in addressing disputes in the South China Sea. The decision upholds international law, particularly the 1982 UNCLOS.
In its petition, the Philippines disputed China's historical rights, saying that such rights over the waters, seabed and subsoil were beyond the limits of the entitlements under the convention. The Philippines also disputed China's 9-dash line as being baseless under UN clause, and also said that the islands in the seas were rocks and not inhabited, and hence China had no claim on sea rights. The South China Sea is an important global trade route. Chinese President Xi Jinping rejected the ruling and asserted that Beijing will not accept the verdict under any circumstances. He said China's territorial sovereignty and maritime interests in the South China Sea will not be affected by the ruling under any circumstances. The Philippines respected the milestone decision as an important contribution to ongoing efforts in addressing disputes in the South China Sea, adding that the decision upheld international law, particularly the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. DD News.